Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will be looking at this Seiko titanium model perpetual calendar watch. As you can see from the video, the watch is not in very good condition, and obviously it's not working. The glass is shattered and it's in very bad condition. There's also some glass particles inside the glass and on the dial. It's a very nice looking watch. I will hope to restore this in original condition the best I can. Obviously, looking at the bracelet, extremely dirty and many scuff and marks. It has a milled clasp, which I like. It's extremely good. The titanium bracelet is a light watch. The whole body is titanium. It has a crown, a gold color crown. So don't know if the hands do move. The hands are not moving. So I'm not sure why. I believe these are sort of electronic movement, so they move if the battery is installed, so I hope it should move, otherwise it does not wind. It has a what do you call this, magnifying date magnifier. I will see if I can replace one of these. The back reads the model number is 8F320049 is the model number, and it's fully titanium. It's a beautiful dial. It's kind of very hard to explain. It's blue, but then again it's sort of purplish blue, sunburst color. It will need extremely good cleaning and a polish. Anyway, let's get going and see if we can fix this. Let's start by opening the bracelet and the case back and see what the issue is. Bracelet is almost open, and as you can see, it's so filthy. I don't want to show this how dirty it looks. Dirt inside the pinholes. very filthy. We'll have to give it a good wash and a good polish. Broken glass came inside the movement. Look closely. There's broken glass there, there's broken glass here. All looks good, but obviously needs a bit of cleaning inside, as the glass particle could be anywhere. Just going to take the stem out, take the movement and the dial out. Movement holder. Carefully take the dial and the movement out. Looks to be okay. Just need to clean the glass off. There's glass inside here. Carefully collecting all the glass, broken glass particles. I don't want to use a hand blower because all the glass will go everywhere. Not sure if this chaptering comes out. I don't want to take a risk in case it damages the date ring here, which seems to be connected with the chaptering. So looks like it's stuck on. As I can see, it's really nicely stuck on, but it is a chaptering, it is separate, but it's connected with the date ring. So I'll leave that in case I try to pry this off and some paintwork might chip off. So I'm going to leave it and give it clean the way it is. As you can see, I've just taken out the PCB board or the circuit board, and I'm just going to clean it in case there's any glass particles. There's 4 small screws, extremely small, so be careful if you ever take them off not to lose these screws. There is 2 jewels I can see. I'm just going to give them a little oil just to lubricate them, as I did clean it with a bit of alcohol water. As you can see, the glass is badly broken. The glass has cracked more, so it'll be very hard for me to measure the exact diameter of the glass, but let's have a look. It's about 27 point. Oops, my battery is gone. So I'm gonna have to change the battery now. So it's about 28. So it's about 28 millimeter. .6. I'm going to check this if this bezel comes out. Anyway, managed to get the bezel out. It was pretty simple actually. Give all this a clean. A lot of dirt inside the ring. As you can see, I'm going to do the remaining of them. I'm going to do this side now. Yeah. On my way. As you can see, I have left this bit here where the date window is. I've left this polished. I like it as it is. It looks nice, but near to the future, if I decide to change it, it won't be a hard job. Just need to wrap it up a bit and just matte finish it. But for now, I think it looks nice. I'm going to leave it as it is. There's the new glass that I'm going to put on. Looks okay. That's in. I like the second hands to point out the markings perfectly. So this is the way I do it. As you can see, every second is looking perfect. I'm going to put this inside the casing. Just give it a blow and take the dust away. I'm going to put back the case back, and I'm going to leave it for now and do the bracelet, fix the bracelet, and then I'll put the battery in and then obviously test it. So just make it safe for no dust to get in. Okay, now it's time to test the watch. I have a new battery. It's a Panasonic 3-volt battery, CR 2412. So I'm going to open this and put the battery in and see if the watch actually works. New battery, we're going to install this and see if this works. Now let's see if this works. So it's not working at the moment. Let's pull the crown out and see. Nope. Still not working. Let's just cut my nails today and a bit short, so it's hard to pull that crown. Hands are okay. Moving. Nope. So one click. No date change. 2 click. Hands move, but the watch is not working. It's a brand new battery. Okay, so there is a slight a trick I'm going to show you. Why is this actually not working? Which I believe that I'm just going to undo this battery and show it to you. It's a new battery. I don't want to damage it anyway. Right. So the reason it's not working is there's supposed to be a plastic, a film type sheet under there, which is not there, because I'll show you the other battery. If you look at the old battery, if you look at this underside, you see this plastic film. What is this doing is, because the whole battery is open, the whole thing there, this is touching the underside of the movement. It only needs to touch the negative side of the movement, not the whole casing or the frame of the movement. So as you can see, that's where it needs to touch the battery, the underside of the battery, and because it's touching the whole thing, the watch is not working. So if you look at this one, they have put a film on it, so it's stopping it from touching the whole the movement plate, and only this bit here is where you can see it's blank. So I don't have a film to put anything underneath. I can cut something, a plastic sheet, and put it in, but I'm going to peel this off and I'm going to put this on my battery and see if this works. Hopefully this should work. Now let's see. Okay, that's in. Let's see now. Oh, there you go. I can see it's working now. So you got what I meant. The back side of the battery should not touch the whole frame. It should only touch the battery connector, which is, I just showed you earlier on. That's where it's supposed to be only touching. And as you can see, it's sticking away. So everything. So that needs now me setting the actual perpetual calendar, which I'll have to do later on. For now, I'm just going to put the whole case back on, the strap, and I'm going to set this. I won't show you on the video. Put the seal on. Got some silicone grease on it. Hopefully that's tight enough. The time and date is correct. It is the 14th of October 2024, and I believe it's a leap year, so it's all set to go for a couple of years to come. I think these Panasonic battery, they last a couple of years. That's what I've heard. So we'll see how long it lasts. It's called a bullet date magnifying glass. I'm going to put this on now. I'm going to put a bit of epoxy. It's a clear epoxy. And I'm going to put this on. Very little amount. Should cover it. As you can see, I've moved the date window slightly to the left inside the more inwards, so it's more visible. The date is more visible in the magnifying glass. Otherwise, it's because it's a bullet style, it's a bit cornered. If I move it, shift it to the right hand side, you see less of the date being magnified. So I wanted to get the date more magnified. That's the main purpose of this. So just shift it a bit to the left. I think the date looks okay now. I'm gonna leave this for overnight and let the epoxy dry, and carry on the work tomorrow again, and just put the bracelet on, and that's about it. Anyway, thanks very much for watching this video. Me restoring this Seiko Perpetual calendar watch, titanium bracelet and the casing, and hope you liked what I did. Please do subscribe, and don't forget to share also. Please leave any comments if you feel like anything you want to know. Thank you very much, and I'll leave you with this today. I hope you enjoyed this video.